Train's going by. Micah, Caleb. And I can't cross the tracks. The lights are telling me I can't cross. I have to wait for the gate to go up. Pretty soon the gate will go up, and then I can cross the tracks. Oh, that's the end of the train. The gate's going to go up now. There goes the gate. Up it goes. Now I can cross safely.